Why hello there and welcome to this video, quickly going through all the LEGO sets that are releasing on March 1st. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting with the LEGO icons, we have the French Cafe with 1,101 pieces, selling for £69.99. This is an 18 plus set, which I have already covered in a full video, as I have with the next set of LEGO Ninjago's City Workshops. This has 3,244 pieces, is selling for £219.99 and is a 14 plus set. Next up we have the upscale racing driver minifigure with 694 pieces. This is a 10 plus set, selling for £46.99. Next up we have an 8 plus set of the record player with flowers, with 366 pieces, selling for £24.99. Then the Wild Animals Pink Flamingo, with 288 pieces, selling for £19.99, also an 8 plus set. Next we have the Brickheads of Optimus Prime Robot and Vehicle with 237 pieces, selling for £17.99 and is a 10 plus set. And related to this we have the Bumblebee Robot and Vehicle Brickheads with 253 pieces, also selling for £17.99 and is also a 10 plus set. Next we have Maleficent and Cruella DeVille's dresses with 524 pieces, selling for £59.99. This is a 9 plus set. And the Cinderella dress, selling for £34.99 with 474 pieces. This is a 9 plus set. Next we have the sets for the Minecraft movie, which I have already covered in full. A Woodland Mansion fighting ring with 491 pieces, selling for £44.99. This is a 10 plus set, as is the other set with 555 pieces of the Ghast Bloom Village attack, selling for £59.99. Next we have a Technic set of Tipping Dump Truck with 462 pieces, selling for £44.99 and is a 9 plus set. Next we have Thunderfang Dragon of Chaos with 668 pieces, selling for £64.99, an 8 plus set. Then we have Off-Road Police Car Chase, 467 pieces, selling for £34.99, is a 6 plus set. Next is the Arc Dragon Focus, 869 pieces, selling for £89.99. This is a 9 plus set. Next we have the Magical Transparent Box with 340 assorted pieces, selling for £17.99. This is a 5 plus set. Then we have the F1 grid with VCARB and Sauber race cars, 313 pieces, selling for £24.99, is a 6 plus set. Then we have the Parrot houses, 535 pieces. This is an 8 plus set, selling for £59.99. Then we have Lego Duplo sets of Winnie the Pooh's birthday party, with 22 pieces, selling for £17.99. This is a 1.5 plus set. And the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and Car, 27 pieces, selling for £17.99. This is a 2 plus set. Next we have the Creative Build and Play box with 750 pieces, selling for £44.99. This is a 5 plus set. Then the Cool Creative box with 510 pieces, selling for £24.99, also 5 plus. And then we have Peppa Pig sets of the Fun Fair with 53 pieces, selling for £44.99. This is a 2 plus set. And the Camping Trip with 32 pieces selling for £17.99, also a 2+ set. Next we have the Evolution of Stem, which I covered last week, with 879 pieces selling for £69.99. This is an 18+ set. Next we have Vincent van Gogh's Sunflowers with 2,615 pieces selling for £169.99. This is an 18+ set. Then we have AT-AT Driver's Helmet, 730 pieces, selling for £69.99, again 18+. And then we have Lilo and Stitch's Beach House with 834 pieces, selling for £79.99. This has 834 pieces and is a 9+ set. Then we have the Trevi Fountain, which is an 18+ set, selling for £139.99. 1,880 pieces. And with that, that is all the LEGO sets that are going to be releasing on March 1st this year, which is either tomorrow or today, depending on when I manage to upload this video. So yeah, all pretty nice sets and a good range of themes altogether. I have nothing further to say other than thanks so much for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Goodbye.